Welcome to Learner's Planet, my dear children. Children, today is session 1 about our food, teeth and digestion. So, in this session we will study about kinds of teeth. So let's start. Children, we all take in food through the mouth. Why? Because the mouth has teeth, right? We can see in the picture, our mouth has teeth which help in biting and chewing the food very properly. And teeth also help us to speak properly, as you can see in the picture, right? So teeth helps us to speak properly. And they also give shape to our face. So it is the teeth that gives shape to our face, and healthy teeth make our smile beautiful. So children, we will study that how we can make our teeth healthy, so that our healthy teeth can make our smile very beautiful. Children, have you ever been to the dentist clinic for a dental checkup? You might have. So let's see who is a dentist. Have you ever been to a dentist because of a toothache? Yes. So why is it important to visit a dentist? We will get all the answers now. So let's study. We will now start with the sets of teeth. Children, teeth are an important part of our body, and we must take proper care of them. Right? So when you are a very small child, you are born without teeth. So we can say that we are all born without teeth, right? This set of teeth in a child is called as milk teeth. What type of set is called the milk teeth? Yes, by 2.5 years, about 20 teeth come up. So this 20 set of teeth in a child is called milk teeth. So always remember that by 2.5 years, all children have about 20 teeth. So we can say that milk teeth are also called as temporary teeth. Why are they called temporary teeth? Yes. Now let's see. Children, your upper and lower jaws have identical set of teeth. Can you see this? So, whatever number of teeth will be there in the upper jaw, that same number of teeth will be in the lower jaw. So, your upper and lower jaws have identical set of teeth. So when the child is about 6 years old, milk teeth start falling out one by one. That is why milk teeth are called as permanent teeth. Temporary teeth. Right? So as we studied that by 2.5 years, 20 teeth come up, and this set of teeth is called the milk teeth. But when the child is about 6 years old, milk teeth start falling. So we can say that milk teeth are also called as temporary teeth, not the permanent teeth. So now we can say that the second set of teeth forms the permanent teeth. How does it form the permanent teeth? Yes, when the child is about 6 years old, milk teeth start falling. Then slowly new ones that are bigger in size take their place. And so the second set of teeth forms the permanent teeth. Why they form the permanent teeth? Because they remain throughout the life. So we can say that there are usually 32 teeth in a permanent set. Alright? So when you grow up, you have 32 teeth. But when you are very, very small, that is about 2.5 years, you have 20 teeth. And they are called temporary or milk teeth. But these 32 teeth are permanent sets of teeth. Alright children? So children, I hope you are clear and you enjoyed the session 1 about our food. So in this session, we only studied about sets of teeth. Rest of them we will study in the next session. Till then, keep learning.